Okay, we're supposed to find the lateral area of a cylinder with a radius of 6 and a height of 4. And remember, the lateral area is what we would get if we unraveled this part, the side, and what we would have would be certainly this height would be 4, as it was to begin with. This length equals 2 pi r, because when we unravel this thing, it's going to have that length to it of 2 pi r, the circumference of the base. So that's going to be 2 pi times the radius of 6, which is 12 pi. And the area, the lateral area, is going to be 4 times 12 pi, which is 48 pi. Let's go to the next one. We're supposed to find the volume of that same cylinder. And the volume is equal to the area of the base times the height. We didn't find the area of the base, but the area of the base is pi r squared, and r is 6, so that's 36 pi times 4, which is 144 pi. I might try to do another one. Yeah, let's try it. Now we got a pyramid, and it is a regular square pyramid. It has a lateral area of 60 meters squared. So that's the lateral area equals the 4 triangles. The area of those 4 triangles. And those triangles, so what do we know? We know that the lateral area equals 60, and that's equal to the 4 times the area of one of the faces, one of the triangles of that pyramid. That's going to be an A. And so that means that the area of one of the triangles is 15. What do we know about those triangles? The base is 6, and that tells us that we have, one of the triangles, the area of a triangle is going to be 1/2 base times height. That's 6 times the height, and that's equal to 15. And that says the height of that, and that's really, let's think of the height of that is going to have to be 5. And that's really the slant height. So it's not the height of the pyramid. That's a different issue. So what we're going to do now is we're going to try to find the height of the pyramid. And that's going to be, we're going to do a right triangle. And that right triangle is going to be this, the height of the pyramid, this here. It's going to be this distance here, which is half of the distance of one of the base sides of one of the sides of the base. And so what we know so far is that that's going to be the height. This is going to be 3, half of 6, and the hypotenuse is this slant height, which we just calculated. That is 5. That's a 3, 4, 5 right triangle. So h equals 4, the height of the pyramid. And this question is asking us for the volume of the pyramid. And that is just going to be the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 area of the base times the height. and that's going to be equal to 1/3. The area of the base is good. It's a 6 by 6 square, so that's going to be 36 times the height, which is 4, and that's 12 times 4, and that is 48. All right. Then we're going on to other stuff. All right, that's that one.